In this latest meme trend, the Pope is offering up an object of your choice. The meme started on Twitter, where people were posting each quarter of the photo individually so that the gallery of images created on Twitter makes up the larger photo. While it may look a little complicated, it's actually pretty simple. I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to make the meme using templates. I'll first show how to make the full picture meme, and then I'll show how to make the cut up version that works best on Twitter. These templates are completely online, and the editor also has image search and a background eraser so you can make transparent graphics right within it. Let's get started. Okay, so there are 2 ways to do this Pope meme. The first way is to do just the full picture, like in this template shown here. And you can post this on any social media platform because it's just the full picture and you're basically replacing what the Pope is holding with something that you want him to hold. That's the first way. The second way is to make it like the tiles, and this can really only happen on Twitter because of the way that the 4 different pictures show as a gallery on your post. So for this one, there's the template is linked in the description below, and so just click that one. It'll be the first one, and then go and say make it. And the way that this template is laid out is that there's basically this background image of the Pope, the original photo, and then he's holding something, an image, and then I copied the same background photo and then erased the outside of it. So it's just the hands, and so it can look like the hands are in front of the object. So you just have to line the hands up with the background hands. First, you can just delete this template, and if you want to upload a photo that you have, you can also use a GIF. You can just click upload here and then add your file, or you can search Google Images immediately by just searching in the Images tab. So if I was gonna search for like Uno card, even if it doesn't have a transparent background, you would like to erase some of it, we can do that in this editor. There's an image background eraser, so don't worry about that. Just choose a card that you would want to use. I'm just gonna choose this card, and there's a white border in the background that I want to erase. So I'm going to just click the photo and then click erase on the side here. And you can use the magic wand to erase efficiently if there's like a very clear background that is all the same color. So this white, you just click and drag and it selects the outside area. Then just hit delete on your keyboard and it'll delete all of that. Now you can see there's still a border, so you can go in with your freehand erase tool, change the size of the eraser as you want, and then just move over those pixels to delete them really fast. Once you're done with that, just click done, and then resize the image as you wish. And then to send it behind his hands, that first layer of his hands, just click the image and click send backward. So once you're happy with how everything looks, just click export image. After a few moments, your picture should be loaded, and this is the final product. It looks pretty believable if you ask me. So to download it, you can just click download on the side here, and you'll have the image file on your device. Then you can just go and post that on whatever social media you want. As I said before, this is the second version of this meme, and this is basically like a Twitter version of it, where you can edit this first square with whatever you want the Pope to hold, and then you upload it with these other 3 images. This template is the second one in the description below. Click that and you'll be taken here to it, then just click make it. So we're just creating the first quarter of the photo where he's holding something. Now this is organized the same way as the other template, where there's a background and then there's his hands, like a double layer of the hands. And the object that he's holding. So same process, basically delete that sample, and then you can either upload an image or GIF or find it in the images tab. I'm just going to do the same example, and to erase it, just click it and then click erase on the side and then drag over the pixels and hit delete as we did in the last one. You can also freehand erase. So now we have this card that's a PNG with a transparent background. Put it over the hands and then click send backward to send it behind the first layer of the hands. So once you're happy with that, just click export. The image is done loading, so just download this one as well. Just click download here. And now for this one, you need the other 3 parts of the image. So we have templates for those as well. They're the rest of the links in the description. There's going to be 3 more parts. So this is the second quarter of the image, Click download to just save this immediately to your device, and then download this one as well. Then the last part of the image is this fourth one. Just download this one as well. And again, all of these images are in the description below. Now to actually upload it to Twitter, go to Twitter, then just make a regular tweet and then upload the images in the same order that they're numbered. So the first one you're going to upload is the one where you edited him holding something. So this one, upload that one first. The second one is image number 2. Then the third one is the bottom half of the hands. And the last one is the rest of his face. So this is what the preview of it looks like. And as you can see, everything lines up perfectly, but he is holding the thing you edited. You can add your caption, and then when you click tweet, it'll be posted. Yeah, and this is what it will look like when it's actually posted. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips and tricks. And we also cover a lot of meme trends. If you have an idea for a video that you want to see on this channel, please leave us a note in the comments and we will see you in the next video.